No more parties. No more party. Yeah. I touched your phone. I said no more parties, but you even did it without asking. You said let's have a party. You act like I don't look on the ground. You said let's go have some parties. Have some parties. Don't forget I had your password to your IG. So you text your friend. You said let's have some parties. My boyfriend not over. Let's have some parties. Baby, I said no more parties. Cause my house be messed up with parties. I don't like no parties. Pull up in that. It. I told you no more parties. You must don't know me, baby. I say no more parties. Do that mean no more parties. Baby, what I say, do you understand? I say no more parties. I say no more parties. No parties. You must don't know me, baby. I said no more parties. You still did it with one parties. I said pull up in that. Oh. We said ain't no parties. Yeah. You must didn't hear my homie. My mama don't like parties. My dad don't like parties. My mama, my cousin, we all don't like party. Must don't know me, baby. Do you even understand? I said, no more parties. Get out my house, cause no more parties.